babes, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Katie Nicole. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today we are doing a pack with me for a weekend trip. This weekend I am going to Atlanta, and my main reason for going is for the Lotto concert, and I'm only spending 2 nights, 3 days, so super quick trip. But if you know me, I'm gonna overpack regardless. Okay, that's just what I do. You gotta have options. You just never know what you're gonna get into. This is gonna be just showing you guys how I pack personally and how I plan to pack. As soon as I know a trip is going on, I automatically start making a list on my phone, and I already start thinking of outfits in my head. So as you can see, this is my list on my phone. I have my outfits, my shoes, my jewelry, my makeup, my bags, which is my purses, my body and skincare, and then also my YouTube stuff, because obviously your girl's gonna vlog. I need to make sure I have everything I need, such as like my camera, my batteries, my charger, my lighting, whatever it is, my tripod, you know, all the YouTube goodies. Gotta make sure I have that stuff. So if you want to watch me pack for the weekend, please keep on watching.
Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up, hit that gym and get back fine, go get that degree, go girl, focus on me, unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you, fuck that nigga, hey. Oh yeah.
You can see here, I already kind of have my things in this little corner, because when I think of an outfit, I go ahead and pull it out and sit it on top of my suitcase, so the outfit doesn't just like leave my head and I kind of forget about it. And then like my purses and my makeup and stuff, anything that I think of kind of closer to the trip, I go ahead and put in a pile, just so I'm not forgetful. And doing this along with my list makes packing just go so smooth. Also wanted to discuss this real quick. So I like to keep these little bags. These are all from Blushmark, but Shein does the same things. And when I remember, I like to keep some of them because they really come in handy when it comes to packing. So like, I'm going to be trying to put all my outfits in these just to save some room in my luggage. So just want to give you guys that tip. It really does come in handy because these you can really like just seal tight, put them in your bag, and stack more clothes on top of each other. So just in case y'all wondering what I'm going to be doing here in a second. So the first thing I like to do is just take all my outfits I have in mind and lay them out on my bed, so that way I can just see an overall view of what I'm taking, so I know if I need to look for some more outfits or if I want to change something up. Now that I have all my outfits laid out, I'm just laying out my pajama sets to sleep in, as well as a couple t-shirts and a pair of shorts just to lounge around in the hotel.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just.
And now all I'm doing is just laying out what bags I want to take, what jewelry I want to take, as well as what shoes I want to take. So as I mentioned before, I can see the overall layout and make sure I have everything that I need.
Better, I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody some next up. Be damn if I let them catch you. It's easy to see that you fit up. I am on a whole nother level. Really only fucked you off because you let him. Fucking girl, I guess you didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that hold me together. Lately you say you've been killing the vibe. Y'all let's be sick of this guy. Pull up the skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your night. Light up with fifth and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for me, just be.
Maybe one day there could be us. Oh my eyes. I wasn't patient, I was stuck trying to
my outfits in the Blush Mart bags, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Not only is this super like space saving, but it's very convenient and helps you on your trip because you can pack each individual outfit that you have planned together. So once you're on your trip, all you gotta do is just pull out the bag and it's all put together for you. Sensitive.
Time. You and your girlfriend, too bad, mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They want bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. I need to hold a corner and slow wine. One time I need to hold a corner and slow wine.
Then I just go in my bathroom and get my skincare, my hair care, my body care, my toothbrush, you know, all the essentials. I like to put them in these little pouches that you'll see. It just makes it a lot easier to travel with, and it helps me keep up with everything.
One time, yeah. You got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad, mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They want bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. You've got some vacation time. Want me to feel like I'm new. You and your girlfriend, too bad, mine. Don't care, you look so nice. Being bad when you both combine. Look what you're putting me through. I don't know why you look so nice. I need to right now, we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind.
Once I have everything squared away in the bathroom, I just head back into my room and I start putting everything into my suitcase.
I need to bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice.
Then I just take a second to look into my makeup bag just to double check that I have all the makeup that I want to take with me. And the last thing is I like to take my steamer just because I personally like that better than ironing my clothes. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. Of course, there's going to be a vlog for this weekend, so stay tuned. Also, would like to say I didn't necessarily show me pack every single thing because some things I have to wait until the day I leave. But you get the gist of how I plan and organize and pack for the weekend. But I will see you guys next video. Bye, babes.